an oldie but goodie topic that I found that actually I forget to use. So I thought I would show people how to do it is to how to quickly enter your email address using iOS text replacement. So I'm actually going to, for my listeners, you're going to have to listen to my voice and walk it through. But for my viewers, I'm actually going to, I got a nice little screen that I want to walk people through. So I've actually put my phone on the screen. So I'm going to walk users through how to set up a text replacement to quickly enter your email address. And basically, the way you do it is you open up settings on your phone, you go down to general, then you go over to keyboard. And at the very top, you'll see a place that says text replacement. If you tap that, it will give you a place to where you can actually add a shortcut. So if you tap the plus symbol in the upper right hand corner, it'll give you a phrase. What you want to use for your phrase is your email address. So for instance, I'll put the SnobOS email address. So we are contact at snoboscast.com, for example, right? So that's the phrase. The shortcut I want to put is I want to put two at symbols in this case. So now what will happen is anywhere I use two at symbols, it'll automatically populate with the email password. So I'll do that one more time. So if I'm in a text field, like for instance, if I'm signing up for a new service or a new platform, the first thing all these websites want is your email address. So I get tired of doing contact at SnobOScast all the time. But now that I've entered this shortcut, I can just put two at symbols. And then in the text autocomplete field at the bottom, it'll automatically put in contact at snoboscast.com. So that's my little tip for this week. If you want to find a quick way to put in an email address, and you can do it multiple ways. Like I've got 4 or 5 email addresses. I can use two at symbols. I can use two pound symbols, something you normally don't use in a text conversation. You can use that as a shortcut and you can auto fill like a email address.